All right, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over my trade on RR, which is RichTech Robotics. This trade is pretty sweet. I left a lot on the table, however, and there's just a lot of learning lessons from this one. Nonetheless, I won again to 40 today and keeping that streak alive. So yeah, let's get into this. So this morning, uh, I had seen that this is a recent runner in previous days. As you can clearly see here, it ran yesterday, had a pretty sweet dip and ran up to VWAP the day before or that was for Monday or Tuesday on the 24th. That's when I traded it last. And yeah, kind of the same thing style going on here. Dips in the morning and another big run and pushes through VWAP. Unlike before, I just kind of struggled through VWAP last on this week on Tuesday. So yeah, again, I just kind of only had a few on my app. I use Webbull currently. Had a few lingering stocks. Saw this still had gapped up in the morning. I'd like to see some stocks that gap up around 5% in the morning, take a big dip. And yeah, so really to break down this trade and how I viewed it is I used the stochastic line on the 9-3 stochastic. Saw it went under the 20 line. So it was oversold. And from there I saw the reversal. I'd like to see one reversal fail. You can see there's a dip here to dip by into this reversal. That's not quite a fail yet, as we're trying to look for a close below low of day, which is my intent on this trade. So I get that close below low of day, and now you start to see the stochastic right here at the bottom. It highlights in blue. You got that in that dip by, but I knew it was going to go lower because I usually see one fail below the previous low of day. So that's where I was looking the entire time for once I saw this, I knew it was coming. So I was looking for another reversal from there. Luckily, we got another dip. So I knew I'm going to get an even cheaper this time than, if you kind of got in a little premature and just saw the stochastic initially fall under the 20. Yeah. So again, look for those red to green patterns. And yeah, we get that right here, red to green. And a lot of people like to see red to green close above the red candle open after such a big drop like this. It made it a low day and closed, just above 50% of its candle length. Um, so yeah, pretty much from there, I was looking to buy anywhere from this into this area. So I guess I can just draw that for you. So this is where I was looking to buy in this area right here. And so yeah, I ended up getting filled at around 265 as it dropped here, got a fill at 265, which is where my position was. And I sold. This is where I made my biggest mistake on this one. The volume just kept decreasing and you want to sell into strength. You can see on these candles right here, one, two, three, and four, all the volume decreases here, guys. So yeah, not exactly my best trade. Um, yeah, and then from there, the volume increased right in testing into VWAP. That's where I should have sold my first share position. I'm really working hard on selling a fourth or at least a fifth, or letting a fifth or a fourth ride out in the rest of my position, selling three-fourths. And yeah, just like I said, letting the rest ride. Um, from here, it only gets worse for me as it goes up 32% from where I bought in. So yeah, from 265 to the top, that's a 32% gain. Uh, Kind of frustrating. You can see it passes this 80 stochastic here, and you can tell that by like in live time, as you can see it approach the 80, right into VWAP, strength increases, and then crossing the 80 and strength increasing again. And that would be like a perfect time to get out. So if I just stick to those rules next time, that's a 13% gain. That makes all the difference in the world, speeding up that small account or any account really. Yeah, but again, made $240 today. Um, Pretty nice trade overall. As you can see, this is the P&L from today, 240. Um, this is the buy and sell order on RR. So this is yeah, like I said, 265 I entered right here, and then 272 got filled right here at this candle open as it started to make its move upward. A little premature selling. Should have probably waited for this to cross over and then from there, you know, test this 80 stochastic. So, I mean, still nonetheless, was in the trade for 2 whole minutes, making 240. Can't be too mad with that. But yeah, like I said, left a lot on the table. Um, and then lastly, this is where I'm at for December, up $808.67. So yeah, pretty good December. It's not over yet. We still have, I believe, Monday, maybe Tuesday, before the new year. Um, yeah, I'm really looking forward to closing out the 2024 really strong, as I took a lot of my lessons that I've learned over these past few months since started trading in October. Um, again, after some time off, after a year off from doing it. And I feel like I've learned twice as much as I knew prior a year ago. So yeah, I mean, it's been really rewarding, and you know, growing that account is really keeping me motivated. Instead of taking, like back in the day, taking those little losses, big losses. I've covered most of the grounds of those losses I took. I'm gonna soon, I'm sure by the end of next month, I'll be surpassing all of my losses that I've ever had in trading, period. Um, yeah, as I always tried to go small on those accounts because I didn't know too much. So yeah, overall, yeah, a lot left on the table there. Should have sold in the highs and this stochastic crossover. But yeah, just maybe to break down one more on the day, there were so many opportunities today. Um, look for these gap ups. So this one was kind of tough to trade, a lot of volume. Luckily, I played a multi-day runner that I was already comfortable with and saw some on Tuesday. But yeah, nonetheless, this 1 minute chart, you'll see the stochastic come close to the 20 line, doesn't quite hit it. It goes 100%, going from 30 cents all the way to 75 cents. Pretty crazy. Um, again, you see this dip into the stochastic. I need more confirmation than that. Great reversal, however, good move. I'm like this move is 25%, so it doesn't take a whole lot to make these low floats move. Um, a safe play for me, all the stochastics cross over here. Um, if you kind of see it how I would view it live time, it would be kind of something like this. You first get alerted from the stochastic right here at 11:17 a.m. You look for that reversal, look for the reversal to fail, close underneath it of the lows here, and then you get a second reversal, a nice dip buy in this area, and from there it consolidates, another dip buy, testing that low or these lows right here. And then yeah, from there, pretty much buying from this reversal high. You never really want to buy the top, but it's a momentum thing. So at the most you'd be down 8%. So manage your money there. And then yeah, it makes a high of 9.9%. And yeah, it even made I mean, after stopping out of that trade right there, it even made some lows of 50 cents coming all the way back to 72 cents. So another opportunity on the stochastic, once, twice, three times, all underneath the 20 on this reversal here, going red to green, the green making a new low. So from that, buying that green candle into this one is again 40%. So yeah, it's just about, taking your daily percent gain, walking away with like half, three-fourths of that position, and then simply letting another fourth or even half of it ride out. Especially if I've been right this many times. I just got to really start buying in and trusting it instead of trying to scalp so much. It's more of a swing or an intraday swing. Um, but yeah, that's really just it. These have had a lot of moves lately. There's 33 stocks that gapped up 5% that had at least 2 million volume today. That's pretty crazy, as in like believe, well, that was Christmas Eve, but they only had like 11. So maybe it's time for the market to continue into 2025 staying hot, and it's going to be a whole lot easier to grow that account. So yeah, doing well, and I'm just looking to close strong and enter 2025 in such a fresh, exciting new way with all these skills and momentum heading into 2025. So yeah, that's really just it. Yeah, sweet trade an RR today and looking for another one tomorrow, or sorry, Monday before, yeah, the new year. So that's just really just it. If you have any questions, yeah, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys soon. And yeah, great trading today. All right, take care. Bye bye.